A pleasure and a great satisfaction for me for launching of Madhovbag Power Map, which is very important for health analysis. On the basis of that, doctor can easily make the diagnosis and which can be very much useful for the people. Today, the innovation, entrepreneurship, science, technology, research, skilled and successful practices, we name it as knowledge, and conversion of knowledge into wealth is the future for the country. In particular, related with the medical sciences, we are really facing a lot of crucial problems because of COVID-19. And today it is a time for the country to find out new research, new initiatives by which we can give tremendous help to the poor people of this country. Today, the health services is very important. Government is already to going take a lot of new initiative for starting of giving new good health services to the people. We are also forwarding towards health insurance schemes, which are very important, where the common man paying capacity is not too high, that he can get the good treatment. But with the help of health insurance, we can be very much helpful to him. Regarding Madhovbag, I have really one of the great respect in my mind because of their Ayurvedic and using of different pathology, different methodology for using by using the knowledge and taking the all type of methodology which is available by using of all the things, they are giving good result to the people. As far as the diabetes and other crucial issues are concerned, it is very important that we need new research on all this field. But first of all, the launching of this power map is very important because with the health parameters, the previous health parameters will indicate that what type of disease exactly he have. On the basis of that, it is easy for doctor to make the diagnosis. And this is very important. The medicine is important and the more important is diagnosis is important. That what type of medicine is needed for that, exactly that is the decision of the doctor. And for that reason, he need all data. By this map, power map, doctor will get all information from previous time by which he can easily find out what is exactly the problem. On the basis of that, he can give a good solution by using good medicine for that, and it will give relief to the patient. So really, it is a new innovation, new technology in the health sector. And this technology is going to helpful for the poor people. Only my request to all Madhovbag related directors that people like who are already socially, economically, educationally backward in Gadchiroli district, they don't have medicine, they don't have doctor. If you can popularize this this power map into the region of Medghat, into the region of Gadchiroli, Sironcha, Etapalli, Aheri, which is totally a backward area where people don't have doctor, don't have medicine. If this type of education, if you can give them by which they can give their all essential details to you by using the power map, by which you can easily diagnose the people and give them relief. The people who can afford medical treatment, there is no problem about them. But we need to think about the people who don't have paying capacity, who are not in position to purchase medicines, it is difficult for them to go to the doctors. They can't go doctor to the specialized doctor because they cannot afford that. So in this situation, if Madhovbag can take some initiative for helping to the poor people who are socially, economically, educationally backward, particularly tribal people, the people in the slums, it can be a great achievement for the society. I am really happy that with your social consciousness, Madhovbag is doing excellent job. Lot of people are getting good benefit from the Madhovbag. They have faith on Madhovbag, and that is really a good certificate from the people that the Madhovbag's span is every time is increased. I am really happy about it. I am giving my best wishes to all of you, and for the occasion of this Madhovbag power map, which is really one of the health power map which is going to be helpful for the poor people, and I am giving my special best wishes to all of you for starting of this new app. My all best wishes with you. Thank you very much. Namaskar.
Thank you very much, sir.
Has already envisioned that technology is the one solution that can really bring down the economical burden of our people in India, and we'll be surely striving hard to take this technology to the masses as you have guided us. Thank you for that. And now, for as you have inaugurated the power map, I'll share one more EV and conclude this session today. Through this AV, we'll understand how these features of Power Map are going to really make a change in the lives of our patients. So I'm sharing the AV now.